guys. So today you're going to see that a couple things have been added to our Google Classroom. So if you're on the Writing in English, no matter which one you're on, 6D, 6J, or 6M, you're going to see that I posted an assignment called 2 mini lesson assignments. If you need to click on it to open, you can. Obviously, that's the student work section, but you should see that there are 2 mini lessons. One is a show, don't tell, an imagery lesson, and the other one is adding dialogue. And I've given you 2 slideshows that I do want you to go through. And inside each of those slideshows are videos for you to go through this. And your overall assignment is going to be in your Ben 2 writing piece to add at least 1.5 pages of writing. So I want to see that you can get to 6 pages of writing by the time I get back tomorrow. And I want you, in doing this, to go back and rewrite some of those areas, because as I've been reading through your pieces, these are the things that are showing up time and time again. Some of you are telling what's happening rather than letting your reader experience it. And that's what this show don't tell slideshow is going to be about. Or some of you are not adding dialogue, and that's an important part of your story to move it forward. So this is going to help you kind of find a place to add dialogue. So if I click into these, you will see it talks about imagery. There's a short video there. This is another one that talks more about show, don't tell, and this one will help you kind of with mentor text within it to give you ideas on where to put some of those imagery ones. And of course, there are examples of sensory words. If I go into the adding dialogue one, you will see that I have a video. I'm going to admit the lady's voice is a little cringy to me, but what her process is going through this would be exactly what I would be teaching you while I was there. So go through and try to add dialogue the way that she does. And I've given you some rules and reminders on that, like why do you add dialogue, what do you need to do with punctuation, and so on. So that is your overall assignment, is to add 1.5 pages of writing somewhere in your Ben 2 document. 6 pages. We're getting close to the end of Ben 2. Which would mean that we're getting close to saying that our writing is pretty perfect, or as close to perfect as possible, and ready to publish. So that means that we really need to work hard to get this polished up, because tomorrow we're going to work on polishing. So today I really want to see you focus on show, don't tell, and imagery, and adding dialogue to your work before I get back. Hope you're good. Bye.